Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Goff, Quality Assurance with Icon Shelter Systems, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to properly mix the two-part touch-up paint provided in your touch-up paint kit. Each touch-up paint kit provided with your structure shipment includes a two-part polyurethane paint product. BT Autocoat LV 151 top coat by Sickens, AkzoNobel, and the DTM LV 151 hardener. That's a Part A frame paint product and a Part B hardener product. These must be mixed at a 5:1 mix ratio using the supplied mixing cup with graduated markings and mixing stick, all of which are included in your touch-up paint repair kit. A frame paint and hardener have paint can clips attached to the tops of the cans for secure shipment and meeting DOT regulations for shipping the paint. The process for removing these is simple. Using a flathead screwdriver, just get underneath the clip and twist them off to open the can. The tinted frame paint is a high solids product and must be thoroughly stirred or agitated before using to properly mix the color pigments in the paint. Improperly or unmixed paint can alter the finished color of the paint product and can result in a poor repair. Once the paint is activated by mixing the Part A and Part B components together, it does have a limited working time, typically about 2 hours. It's important to note that you only need to mix as much paint as you're going to need for a given repair procedure. You do not have to mix the entire can of paint all at one time. On the mixing cup, you'll have a 5:1 column that shows 5 parts of the top coat to 1 part of the Part B hardener. The 5:1 mixing ratio is the proper ratio to mix given any of the graduated markings on the cup, as long as you're within the 5:1 column. The final 1 column is not needed for any of the Icon touch-up paint repair procedures. Pour enough of the Part A frame paint into the mixing cup to reach the first tick mark on the 5:1 ratio. I'll then pour in enough of the hardener to reach the second tick mark on the center column. Thoroughly stir your Part A and Part B together, being sure to occasionally scrape the sides of the mixing cup. Continue stirring until the two parts are thoroughly mixed together. This paint is now ready to be used. Safety datasheet information for each of the products in the Icon Touch-Up Repair Kit can be accessed by scanning the QR code on the product label with your phone's camera or QR reader to access these safety datasheets.